Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the March-April Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life is geared towards our pocket page scrapbooking, and it comes out every other month. It is a perfect add-on to the flavors of the month because it gives you more pattern paper and embellishments, or if you're a pocket page scrapbooker and you're looking for more paper and cardstock and embellishments, then check out our flavors of the month and our 3 add-ons. This is also perfect if you're a memory keeper in a planner, a traveler's notebook, any kind of smaller documenting, then this is a perfect little kit for you. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's Shots of Life. We're going to start first with the pattern paper. So this month it's all 12 by 12 cut apart. Sometimes we do have smaller ones or actual project life cards, but this month it's all 12 by 12. So first up, telling our story from Echo Park, we have the 4 by 6 cut apart. These are the moments that make us. I love that. Today is where your book begins. The rest is still unwritten. The back is a full 12 by 12 design with the little pencils and the quill pen. From Pebbles, Sunny Blooms, we have this cut apart, which I always love these that have the different sizes and they're very unique. So you have some 3 by 4s and stuff, but you have some squares. You even have some little tabs, so that's a lot of fun. This paper is called Blessings. The opposite side is a little daisy on that periwinkle kind of blue purple. For Crop Till You Drop, we have this paper, Let's Get Crafty, which is a 3 by 4, and then we have a couple of 4 by 6. I love this one. That's a shot downwards of your desktop. The back is a aqua grid design. From Pink Fresh, Making the Best of It, we have this paper, Beautiful Story, which is 3 by 4 cut apart, just gorgeous colors. The back is a little leaf print on that olive green. From Cartabella, Here Comes Spring, we have the 3 by 4 cut aparts. Love the little beehive, be happy. So all of the spring images and beautiful spring colors, that is gorgeous. So that's a rainbow design on a beadboard. Oh, love that paper. From Echo Park, Happy St. Patrick's Day, we have another fun cut apart. We have some 4 by 6s, but we have some tags, some little oblong ones, and then a border of all the little leprechauns. That's super cute. And the back is the shamrocks. From the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Spring Garden, we have the 4 by 6 cut aparts. Beautiful designs already layered all up for you. The back is this gorgeous vintage floral design. And then from Simple Stories Remember, we have the 3 by 4 cut aparts. Just love the colors in this collection. And the back is a beautiful floral design with those colors. So one more look at the patterned paper. All the cut aparts for your pocket page scrapbooking. Next, we're going to look closer at all of the embellishments that you're going to get. So for telling our story from Echo Park, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So definitely plenty to do here. We have this scalloped border of these florals. I love the typewriters and the little Instagram cameras. Every photo tells a story. We have some frames that would make a fun design, the glasses and the phone. For the Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection, you're going to get half a sheet of the enamel dots. So get all the different colors to play with. The Crop Till You Drop from Photo Play paper, you're going to get this cut apart sheet. So these are the ones that they have dies to match. So if you want to do a whole lot, you can buy the coordinating die. So we have lots of little word labels over here, buttons, hearts, the tubes of paint, and then little paint palettes. So that's a lot of fun. Could make some cards with that as well. For the Pink Fresh, Making the Best of It, you're going to get one of the sheets of the mini puffy stickers. So they will be this one or the other one. That's a different color, but I love their little puffy alphabets. They are so much fun to use in all of the different colors. For the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Spring Garden collection, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these are the ones that I got. They will vary. For the Echo Park Happy St. Patrick's Day, you're going to get some of the enamel shapes, so the little clovers, the 4-leaf clovers. For the Cartabella, here comes spring. You're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So again, all of these embellishments will vary, but this gives you a representation. And then Simple Stories Remember, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So I got the frames and then these that have some of the icons. So a lot of fun. So that is the embellishments in your Shots of Life kit. So one more look at the entire Shots of Life. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store and the individual items. You can have any of that stuff shipped along with your kits for free. There are no additional charges past your kit shipping fee. So be sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.